I'm Dr. Robert Weiss, and I'm an Associate Professor of Dermatology at the University of Maryland and Director of the Maryland Dermatology Laser Skin and Vein Center in Baltimore. I'm past president of the American Society for Lasers in Medicine and Surgery and past president of the American Society for Dermatologic Surgery. I'm here today to talk about a wonderful new device called the ZenTite, which was recently introduced into our practice. You can see it here. And this remarkable new device shows an incredible amount of engineering and improvement in function that we have not seen in any other RF microneedling device. So what this allows us to do are three important things that the other devices don't do. Number one is that we can set the layers, 3 to 5 different layers that occur with each single pulse, which is pretty amazing. So most of the time we do 3 levels. So what that means is that we can do treatments 3 times faster. Patients have loved that. The other thing that this device does is that it has the ability to have a soft vacuum. So when you're treating the neck, that soft vacuum pulls the skin up flat against the tip. That assures that the depth is going to be exactly the depth that you have chosen. And in fact, all 3 depths that you've chosen. The other important thing about the tip and the manufacturer is that the needles are incredibly sharp, so they go through the skin really easily. That reduces pain. And the other pain reduction feature is that each pin, each needle is wired independently. So with each time you press the trigger, the needles are firing not all at once. And you don't get this tremendous amount of heat around the rim. You get it very evenly distributed. So what we've seen is that we are doing the treatments 3 times faster. The patients rate the pain as at least 1/2 to 1/3 of what they used to experience with other devices. And what we have is a much better result because we're doing 3 levels simultaneously. So when we treat necks or we treat acne scarring on the cheek, we're now seeing much faster, better, and more consistent results. So this, of course, has allowed us to treat more patients with RF microneedling and to treat them more quickly. So we schedule less time per appointment, and because patients feel a lot less, they're more willing to come back for a number of treatments rather than being discouraged by just a single treatment. The outcomes are much better. We see much faster results. We see much smoother results on the neck. We see faster improvement of acne scarring. And we are extremely thrilled with this ZenTite device. Overall, our experience has been extremely positive. So I highly recommend this device. And if you're in the market for RF microneedling, there's none better than the Boston Aesthetics ZenTite made by Peninsula Medical. Thank you for your attention.